Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering on the Google Wi-Fi node and making sure it's reachable. This matters because a reset needs live power and an initialized boot. Once powered, write down your current network name and password and any custom IP or DNS you set. This saves time restoring. Then locate the small reset hole near the Ethernet ports and grab a paper clip. You'll use it in the next step to trigger the factory reset safely. You press and hold the recessed reset button for about 10 seconds. This forces a factory reset so the device can clear old configs and return to default firmware settings. Once the LED starts flashing orange, release the button and make sure you do not cut power. Interrupting this can corrupt the boot process. Wait patiently. The node will erase settings and then reboot, which usually takes several minutes while it reinitializes networking components and restores a clean state. You finish by opening the Google Home app and following the on-screen prompts to add the device as a new Wi-Fi point. This is where you enter the SSID and password you saved or choose fresh credentials. Make sure nodes are wired correctly and close to the primary router when pairing. If the node does not show up during setup, power cycle it and your phone, then retry. If problems persist, repeat the factory reset. This often clears persistent adoption issues caused by corrupted settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.